Something like the stars at night. Oh, how you shine in the darkest, letting me know everything's gonna be alright. With you I feel so free, and without you I'm so incomplete. Oh, what you do to me, like a poem you sweep me off my feet. Could it be that I found what I was only a dream? Oh, could it really be possible? Not too much, I'm sure, but